Sorry to break it to you, but you need to give up or at least significantly decrease some of your favorite foods, especially those sugary, overly processed foods that are slowly killing us. And I know that some of you are going to argue that life is for living and that you don't want to deprive yourself. But to truly enjoy life, you need to be healthy. Embracing a healthy diet is a crucial aspect of prioritizing your well-being, and the positive impacts on our health are supported by extensive research findings and historical data. Scientific studies consistently highlight the profound connection between our dietary habits and overall health. Research has shown that reducing the consumption of sugary and over-processed foods can significantly lower the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular or heart diseases, and obesity. Even small changes like adding extra vegetables to your plate, cutting down on sugary snacks, decreasing the amount of carbs, decreasing the amount of sugar you add to your coffee, buying healthier snacks, and making the decision to stop snacking so much while you watch TV can have immediate and long-term benefits. Just make a conscious effort to do something. I need you to understand that no magical formula exists for a healthy lifestyle. Those one-week diets don't work. Instead, a healthy lifestyle requires a conscious effort and willingness to take consistent action. You need to put in the work. You need to sacrifice something. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, show your appreciation by liking and subscribing. It helps me out more than you could imagine. Thanks for being a valuable part of this community. The pursuit of health is not merely a quest for physical health. It's a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and purpose. If you're ready to transform your life through wellness, you'd want to go ahead and check out this video next.